Okay, the second exercise is that 4-point reach and lift exercise. We call it the bird dog, but basically it's that movement where you are down on your hands and knees and we're lifting off and extending opposite arm and opposite leg. From the side, it's going to look something like this. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Okay, the point of this exercise is to not rock or roll with your hips. So if you have something like a Kleenex box or a yoga block, practice by putting this on your lower back, just above your hips, just above your pelvis there. And now we're going to lift off with both without dropping that block.